Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify eero mesh connectivity with eero app Diagnostics, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the eero app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure your device is connected to your eero network. Once the app loads, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Devices tab. This section displays all the devices currently connected to your network. Look for the eero devices listed in the app. Each eero should show its connectivity status. If a device has any issues, it will typically display a warning icon alongside it. Tap on the problematic eero device for more detailed diagnostics. The Diagnostics page provides an overview of the device's connection quality. Check the connection quality section for any indications of poor performance. Next, review the signal strength metrics. Strong signals usually fall in the range of -50 to -80 dBm. If the signal level is lower than -80 dBm, consider relocating the eero for optimal coverage. Return to the Main Devices tab. Select Network from the bottom menu to get a global view of your mesh network. Here, you can see how many devices are connected to the entire mesh network. Look for the Connection Status section. This will indicate if your network is operating normally or if there are any issues. If any eero shows a poor connection, tap on it to explore further diagnostics. This will lead to recommendations for improving the connection. You might consider adding additional eeros to extend coverage if necessary. After making any adjustments, revisit the Diagnostics section in the app. Check for any changes in the connection quality or signal strength. Continue monitoring the network performance over a few days. Document any recurring issues or patterns you observe. If problems persist, contact eero support for additional assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and enhance your eero mesh network connectivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.